I'm Thomas Hayat, and today we're going to speak about the mathematical relationship between the unit circle, which shows that pi is 1/2 of a circle, so a full diameter. Pi over 2 is a quarter of a circle, like 90 degrees, okay? Which is why a lot of flags have a cross on there, because it's 180 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on. And that relationship, when you have an opposition of the Sun here and Jupiter there, or at 3/4 of a turn, Sun here, Jupiter there, is what creates wars between countries. And so I'm going to show you on the Astrology game how it relates. The United States of America, which is my country where I come from, is represented by this little thing right there. Gained independence on July 4th of July 4th of 1776. July 4th, the sun was in Cancer, right here. 1776, Jupiter was over here in Virgo. Okay? And so for England, for example, we gain our independence because England's birth chart is the Battle of Hastings, which is October 4th, Sun in Libra, which is 90 degrees relative to Cancer, if I put it like so, right? Of the year 1066, when Jupiter was over here in Cancer. So it's a reverse function of the Sun and Jupiter, which is why this England is blue and this one represents the Sun in red. That's for England relative to the US. For Vietnam, which is represented here with the Sun in Virgo and Jupiter over in 1945 in Libra. Libra relative to Cancer is 90 degrees again, okay? And as for the opposition that we have with Vietnam, is simply that we have the same, they have the Sun, September 2nd, I believe the Independence Day is. They have the Sun where we had Jupiter. So again, another reverse function, and that's for Vietnam. As for France, which is my other country, we get along like peas and carrot because we both have the Sun in the same place. July 4th for the United States is where the Sun was in Cancer, and for France is July 14th. So that explains this really quickly, and that also explains why the Martinican flag looks like 4 snakes to indicate south, whereas the Quebec flag, which is from the same country, was with the fleur de lis, which has 3 points to indicate north, just as the compass has an arrow to indicate north. And I think we can just cut here so that the video is short. T'as mis pause, mais il fallait mettre juste là.
Donc là on regarde, ça doit pas être mal.
Je sais pas, qu'est-ce que ça a fait.